Look here all of you, we have to do the part 7. Here we will prove 1 plus sec a upon sec a, that is equal to sin square a upon 1 minus cos square a. Look here, you will take here left hand side. Look here, 1 plus sec a upon sec a. This you can separate them. So 1 upon sec a plus sec a upon sec a. So what we get? 1 upon sec a, what we can write cos a, and sec a into sec a is 1. Look here, similarly you can do the right hand side. Sin square a, we can write 1, look here, sin square a, you can write here sin square a upon 1 minus cos a. Sin square a, we can write 1 minus cos square a. Okay, and 1 minus cos a we have already, and this cos square 1 minus cos square, write 1 plus cos a and 1 minus cos a. Okay, and here in denominator 1 minus cos a already we have, we cancel these, we get 1 plus cos a. If you not want to do this method, you can do one more method, that sin square a you can write as it is upon 1 minus cos a, and 1 minus cos a you have to multiply by 1 plus cos a into upon 1 plus cos a. You can multiply and divide by 1 plus cos a. Look here, you get sin square a and 1 plus cos a, and denominator you get 1 minus cos square a, and 1 minus cos square a you can write here sin square a. Okay, 1 plus cos a upon sin square a, and sin square cancel, you get 1 plus cos a. So for right hand side I given you two method, you can use any method, both is a simple method. So this is a very simple solution. Look here, we have to prove that root of 1 plus sin a upon 1 minus sin a equal to sec a plus tan a. Look at this question is very simple and very important also. Okay, so you will do here 1 plus sin a, left hand side you can take, left hand side 1 plus sin a upon 1 minus sin a. You can multiply, look at in root you can multiply by 1 plus sin a upon 1 plus sin a. Okay, in root you will multiply. Okay, so what we get, look here, you get here in numerator 1 plus sin a whole square upon 1 time plus and minus 1 minus sin a into 1 plus sin a. Okay, in denominator you can use a formula a plus b, and a minus b means you can write here a square minus b square. So this formula we can use here. So look here, in numerator you write as it is, and in denominator you write here 1 minus sin square a. Okay, and this will be 1 plus sin a whole square, and in denominator we will have a cos square a. 1 minus sin square a is equal to cos square a. Now all square and root, so you can cancel these, you will get 1 plus sin a upon cos a. Now you separate the denominator, what we want answer, sec a and tan a, means 1 upon cos a is sec a and sin upon cos is tan. So you can separate, you will get your answer 1 upon cos a plus sin a upon cos a. So that will be equal to, you will get here 1 upon cos is sec, so you can write here sec a, and sin a upon cos a is tan a, so you can write here tan a. That is your right hand side. All of you understand this? Look here, you have to prove that sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta upon 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta, that is equal to tan theta. This is a very simple question, and this is also very important question is, look here, this you can take common from numerator and denominator. So left hand side you take, and you will take common, direct common I take, sin theta is common, so you would get 1 minus 2 sin square theta you get, and denominator common is cos theta, so cos theta you take common, so you will get here 2 cos square theta and minus 1 you get, means numerator you take common sin theta, denominator we take on common cos theta. Look here, we know that sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. We know this formula. So here place of 1 you will put this value. So look here, place of minus 1, what you write, place of minus 1 we write minus sin square theta and minus cos square theta. Okay, so these value we will put here, we get here sin theta, place of 1 we write sin square theta plus cos square theta minus 2 sin square theta upon cos theta, and 2 cos square theta is as it is, minus 1, place of minus 1 minus sine square theta and minus cos square theta we will get. Look here sine theta upon tan theta, we want here tan theta, so you can write here this sine theta upon cos theta is tan theta, and here this sine square theta and this minus 2, so 1 is cancelled from here, we get here cos square theta minus sine square theta. In denominator this already I write here with this tan theta, and here 1 cos is cancelled from here, so this will be cos square theta minus sine square theta we get. Now you can understand these are cancelled and we get here tan theta, so tan theta is our right hand side, and now you get this answer. Look here, we have to prove that cos sec a minus sine a bracket and sec a minus cos a bracket equal to 1 upon tan a plus cot a. This is a very important question, and look here how to do this. Here sine and sec, we have all these cosec, sine, sec, cos, all are mixing. So first of all we take left hand side and this convert in sine and cos. So cosec, what we can write, left hand side cosec we can write 1 upon sine a minus sine a nothing, so in denominator we write 1. Cos sec a we write 1 upon cos a, and cos a is as it is. Now you will take LCM in both bracket, you take here LCM is sine a, you get here 1 minus sine square a. Similarly in second bracket cos a is LCM, here you get 1 minus cos square a. 1 minus sine square a already I given you, 1 minus sine square a is cos square a, okay, upon sine a as it is, into 1 minus cos square a you can write sine square a upon cos a. Sine square means 1 is cancelled from here, 1 cos is cancelled, you get here cos a into sine a, cos a into sine a, or you can write sine a into cos a. All of you understand this? Same as it is, we will solve the right hand limit, right hand side, okay, sorry, right hand side you solve, you get here this also you convert in sine cos, so tan a you can write sine a upon cos a. Cot a we can write cos a upon sine a. So look here, this in denominator you take LCM, LCM is again we can write cos a into sine a. Now here is cos a means we have to multiply by sine a, sine a into sine a is sine square a, sine a is here means we have to multiply by cos, means you get here cos square a. Now you know already that is what is sine square a plus cos square a, 1, and this upon cos a into sine a. This 1 upon cos a sine a you have to do reciprocal, you get cos a into sine a. Look here both are same, so you can write a left hand side equal to right hand side.